everyone, I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of ANALYST IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about the topic Anti-Superstition Laws. We will discuss this particular news in the following series. First, why it is in news, followed by about Anti-Superstition Laws, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about Polity class of ANALYST IAS, which will start from 21st of November, CSAT class of ANALYST IAS, which will start from 14th of November, and current 365 class of ANALYST IAS, which will start from 9th of January. And along with all these courses, we will soon launch Public Administration Optional course. So you can inquire about any of the following on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on toward our topic of discussion and see why it is in news. The Anti-Superstition Law is in discussion due to the recent cases of human sacrifices in the state of Kerala. Superstition, witchcraft and black magic are irrational and harmful beliefs that cause physical as well as mental harm to the society, and such practices are prevalent globally as well. So now first we will discuss about the various data released by NCRB. As per the 2021 report of the NCRB, that is National Crime Record Bureau, 6 deaths were linked to human sacrifices, while witchcraft was the motive of 68 killings. In the year of 2020, India saw 88 deaths due to the witchcraft and 11 died as a part of the human sacrifice. The maximum number of the witchcraft cases were reported from the state of Chhattisgarh, followed by Madhya Pradesh, followed by Telangana, and recently Kerala saw 2 cases of the human sacrifice. So this is a very pathetic situation arising in today's world. Now we will first discuss what is superstition. Superstition is an irrational belief usually founded on ignorance or fear and characterized by the obsessive reverence for omens and charms, etc. And it is a notion, act or ritual that derived from such belief. As in this particular image, you can see superstition arises from immaturity, illiteracy, fear, anxiety, ritual and false belief. Now we will discuss about what is witchcraft. Black magic is also known as witchcraft and is the uses of supernatural power for evil and selfish purposes and to perform malicious practices to destroy someone physically, mentally or financially. Black magic makes human victim of baseless fears and reverses the fortunes and confusions. Now we will discuss about the laws over the superstition in India. As there is no central law that exclusively deals with crimes related to witchcraft, superstition or occult-inspired activities. In the absence of the nationwide legislation, a few states have enacted laws to counter the witchcraft and protect women from deadly witch hunting. Now we will discuss about the anti-superstition laws enacted by various states. The first name is that of the Bihar. Bihar was the first state to enact a law to prevent witchcraft, identification of a woman as a witch and eliminate torture, humiliation and killing of women. The Prevention of Witch or Dian Practices Act came into force in October 1999, and anyone who identifies a person as a witch and acts to aid this identification can face a jail term of up to 3 months or a fine of 1,000 or both. The next state which we will discuss is that of Jharkhand. A similar law was passed in Jharkhand in 2001, the Prevention of Witch or Dian Practices Act. The next state is Chhattisgarh. Even though Chhattisgarh is one of the worst affected states in terms of witchcraft related crimes, the state enacted the Chhattisgarh Tunahi Pratarana Nivaran Act only in 2005. As per the law, a person convicted for identifying someone as witch can be sentenced to up to 3 years of rigorous imprisonment with a fine. The next state is Odisha. Following the direction of the Odisha High Court to frame a law to deal with the rising cases of witch hunting in the state, the Odisha Prevention of Witch Hunting Bill was passed by the Assembly in 2013, and the bill provided penalties for a witch doctor or a person claiming to be a black magician. The next state is Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, the Maharashtra Prevention and Eradication of Human Sacrifice and Other Inhuman, Evil or Aghori Practices and Black Magic Act 2013 was passed after the murder of anti-superstition activist Dr. Narendra. The next state is Rajasthan. In this, similar act was passed. Next state is Assam. The Assam Witch Hunting Prohibition, Prevention and Protection Act 2015, which received the President assent in 2018, prohibit witch hunting completely. And the law states no person shall identify, call, stigmatize, defame or accuse any other person as witch by words or by signs or indication or by conduct or action or any other manner or instigate, aid or abet such an act or commit witch hunting. The next state is Karnataka. The latest law was passed in Karnataka, where the Karnataka Prevention and Eradication of Inhuman Evil Practices in Black Magic Act 2017 came into effect in January 2020. And the law bans several practices related to black magic and superstition, like forcing a person to walk on fire at religious festival and the practices of piercing rod from one side of the jaw to other. So these were about the various laws passed by various states with regard to the anti-superstition. Now we will move on toward our prelims practice question, which says that with reference to the black magic, consider the following statement. The first statement is India has a centralized legislation to exclusively deal with crimes related to witchcraft, superstition or occult inspired activities. The second statement is Bihar was the first state to enact a law to prevent witchcraft. So you have to pick up the correct statement. Your options are 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, and D neither 1 nor 2. You can answer this question easily as I have already discussed the answer. Answer this question and write your answer in comment box. I will answer this question in my next video. Now we will discuss yesterday's question, which says in which clause of fundamental right the right to privacy is implied as. Your option or correct answer is right of life and personal liberty, that is option A. Now we will discuss our means practice question, which says what is superstition? Are there any anti-superstition law in India that criminalizes the rituals such as human sacrifice and witch hunting? Discuss. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned with Analyst IAS to get further updates. Thank you.